In this tutorial, you'll learn how to find a list of people you've blocked on Facebook. Blocking someone on Facebook prevents them from seeing your profile, sending you messages, or interacting with you on the platform. Here's how to find your blocked list. Open the Facebook app and log into your account. Navigate to the Settings menu. In the Facebook app, tap on the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down the menu and select Settings and Privacy. Within the Settings and Privacy menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down, locate and select Blocking from the list of options. This will take you to the Blocking Settings page. On the Blocking Settings page, you'll see different sections for managing your blocked users, blocked app invites, and blocked event invites. Under the Block Users section, you'll find a list of people you've previously blocked on Facebook. This list includes the names or profiles of the individuals you've blocked. That's it. You successfully found your blocked list on Facebook and learned how to unblock someone if needed. If you have any questions or encounter any issues during this process, feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to give this tutorial a thumbs up if it helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides like this one. Thank you for watching and have a great day.